Here are the 7 signs that you are an empath. Unang-una, you need alone time. Gusto mo mapag-isa. You want space. Diyan ka na-relax sa alone time mo. Pangalawa, you feel drained by negative people. If you're in a circle of negative, nagiging negative ka din. Nauubos yung positive energy mo. Nawawalan ka ng gana sa mga bagay-bagay. At instead of positive mindset ang meron ka, nagiging negative din. Large crowd overwhelm you. So, if nasa large crowd ka, you feel social anxiety. You feel discomfort. Hindi ka komportable. You find comfort in nature. For example, you do hiking, anything that is related to nature. Diyan ka na-relax. Stress-free ang nafe-feel mo. You can sense things that is about to happen or before it happens. Kumbaga na-visualize mo yung mga bagay-bagay na posibleng mangyayari in the future. You care deeply about the animals, planets, and plants. Nagmamalasakit ka. Concerned ka. You listen to people's energy, not just by their words. Kumbaga nasisense mo din or nakikinig ka din by their energy. Nafe-feel mo if it is good vibes or not, positive or negative. So nasisense mo din dito kung yung taong ito ay nagsisinungaling, nagsasabay ng totoo, traidor, or may betrayal na mangyayari, or may masama siyang ginawa behind your back. So nasisense mo. Yung instinct mo and intuition, open.